Hey Odoo enthusiast, welcome to Cybroses. In today's video, we're gonna discuss about how to set limit for records in list view. Now let's consider a list view from here. Let's move on to the sales module, and here you can see that currently we have 7 records. And if you just remove my quotation, here you can see that there are about 10 records in this list view. So if we have more views, more records, we can just move to the next page, or we can just move on to the previous page. Likewise, we can set the limits over here, like what number of records should be displayed in the list view. So now let's move on to the custom module, that is College ERP, and currently we can see that we have 3 records, but I just want to set the limit as 1. And I just need to show only 1 record whenever I just get into the module. So for that, we can just use the attribute called limit. So let's move on to the PyCharm. And in the PyCharm, as we are just dealing with the list, and we know limit is an attribute of list, here we can use the attribute over here, which is limit. Okay, limit equal to 1. Now, if you have any doubt regarding this attribute, you can simply search for this attribute in the add-on. So use Control-Shift-F, and here you can see that we can just see like limit equal to 0, or you can change it as the number of records that will be displayed under the list view. So once it's given, what you have to do is we just need to load everything into the database. For that, you can run the file. Afterwards, we just need to upgrade the module, because whatever changes that we are making under the XML should be loaded into the database. In order to get load, we have to click on upgrade. Now once that's done, you can just move on to the module, and we will be automatically redirecting, and you can see that we have 3 records over here and 1 will be displayed over here. Now if you want to navigate between the records, you can just use the previous button as well as next button, and here you can see that currently we have 3 pages over here, or in each of the view, one of the record is just displaying over here. Now if you want to change the limit, you can also easily change that. So let's set it as 2, and here again let's run, and let's move on to the app, and let's click on upgrade. Now you can see that in this view we can find 2 records over here, and in the next page you can see that we have only 1 record over here. So if you're again creating one more record, that will be listed under this view. Okay, so let's duplicate this form, and let's see how it's created. And here now you can see that we have total 4 records, and 2 will be displayed in the first view, and the other 2 records will be displayed in the other page. So this is how we set limit for records in the list view. So if you find this video informative, please do like, share and subscribe our channel. And if you want Odoo customization, Odoo implementation and Odoo tutorial videos, feel free to contact Cybroses. So that's all for today. Thank you for watching the video, and we'll see you in the next one.